In this video, I show you how to install kitchen wall ceramic tiles step by step with professional results, starting from proper wall preparation, accurate leveling, and correct tile spacing, all the way to the final clean and precise finish. You will see the real on-site working method used by professionals, focusing on small details that make a big difference, such as tile alignment, consistent spacing, correct installation direction, and achieving straight, clean rows for a durable and elegant look. This tutorial is suitable for both beginners and professionals who want to understand the correct technique and avoid common mistakes when installing kitchen wall tiles, especially around corners, electrical outlets, and tight areas. If you are looking for a clean, strong, and long-lasting finish that reflects true professional craftsmanship, this video will guide you through the essential steps in a clear and practical way. In this second part, we move deeper into the professional techniques that ensure a flawless kitchen wall tile installation. The focus here is on precision, consistency, and finishing details that elevate the final result from standard work to a truly professional level. You will see how to properly continue tile rows without misalignment, maintain perfect vertical and horizontal lines, and handle complex areas such as inside and outside corners, tile edges, and transitions. Special attention is given to cutting tiles accurately for electrical outlets, switches, and plumbing points, ensuring a clean and symmetrical appearance. This part also highlights the importance of correct adhesive application, even pressure during tile placement, and constant checking with a level to avoid uneven surfaces. These steps are essential for achieving strong adhesion and long-term durability, especially in a kitchen environment exposed to heat, moisture, and daily use. Additionally, you will learn how to prepare the surface for grouting, clean excess adhesive at the right time, and protect tile joints to achieve a smooth and professional finish. These finishing touches are often overlooked, yet they play a major role in the overall quality and lifespan of the installation. This video is ideal for viewers who want to refine their skills, avoid costly mistakes, and understand the real professional workflow used on-site for kitchen wall ceramic tile installation. Stay tuned for more detailed and practical tile installation content by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. In this third part, the focus is on the most critical stage that defines the final appearance and durability of a kitchen wall ceramic tile installation: finishing and detailing. This phase transforms correctly installed tiles into a clean, refined, and long-lasting surface. You will see the professional method for inspecting tile alignment before grouting, checking joint depth, and ensuring all tiles are firmly bonded to the wall. Any remaining adhesive between joints is carefully removed to guarantee proper grout penetration and a uniform finish. This part also demonstrates the correct approach to mixing and applying grout evenly across the tile joints, maintaining consistent joint width and achieving a smooth surface without stains or uneven lines. Special attention is given to cleaning techniques during and after grouting to preserve the tile surface and avoid haze or residue. Additionally, this section highlights how to seal edges, corners, and contact points using the appropriate materials, ensuring protection against moisture, grease, and daily kitchen use. These details are essential for preventing cracks, water penetration, and premature wear over time. You will also learn how to evaluate the final result, identify small imperfections, and correct them before the project is fully completed. This professional quality control step ensures a strong, clean, and visually balanced kitchen wall finish that meets high craftsmanship standards. This part is especially valuable for viewers who want to achieve a polished, professional look and understand the techniques that guarantee durability, cleanliness, and long-term performance in kitchen environments. For more advanced ceramic tile installation techniques, finishing tips, and professional on-site workflows, don't forget to support the channel by liking the video and subscribing for future content. In this fourth part, the focus is on the final professional inspection and the essential steps that ensure the kitchen wall ceramic tile installation remains strong, clean, and visually perfect over time. This stage is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in the longevity and overall quality of the finished work. You will see how to carefully inspect the entire tiled surface, checking tile alignment, grout consistency, edge finishing, and overall symmetry. Any minor imperfections are identified and corrected at this stage to guarantee a flawless final appearance. This part also explains the importance of protecting the tiled surface after installation, including proper curing time for adhesives and grout, safe cleaning methods, and avoiding early exposure to moisture, heat, or heavy use. These precautions help prevent cracking, discoloration, and bond failure. Additionally, this section covers long-term maintenance practices for kitchen wall tiles, such as routine cleaning techniques, suitable cleaning products, and methods to preserve grout color and strength. Attention is given to high-risk areas like cooking zones, sinks, and corners where grease and moisture accumulate. You will also learn how to maintain expansion joints, refresh grout when needed, and recognize early signs of wear or damage before they develop into serious problems. These professional maintenance habits ensure that the tiled kitchen wall retains its durability and aesthetic appeal for many years. This part is ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who want to protect their work, extend the lifespan of the installation, and maintain a clean, professional kitchen wall finish. For more expert ceramic tile installation and maintenance content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for future professional tutorials.